Welcome to one of the most unique places in the world, Venice, a city with no roads, just canals, where gondolas glide through centuries-old waterways. But Venice is just the beginning. In this video, we'll explore the neighbouring islands of Murano, famous for its stunning glass artistry, and Burano, where vibrant colours meet delicate lace. Whether you're planning a trip or just curious, stick around as we uncover what makes these three destinations unforgettable. Let's dive into Venice, often called the City of Canals. Venice is a city unlike any other, an architectural marvel built on more than 100 small islands, with over 400 bridges connecting its waterways. Historically, Venice was a powerful maritime republic, and it's easy to see traces of its rich past in every corner. From grand palazzos to hidden alleyways, every street, or rather canal, has a story to tell. St. Mark's Basilica is perhaps the most iconic site in the city. This ornate cathedral is a blend of Eastern and Western architectural styles, reflecting Venice's role as a bridge between Europe and the Byzantine world. And next door, you'll find Doge's Palace, which once housed the government of the Venetian Republic. As you wander through its incredible halls, you'll get a sense of the power Venice once held. Another must-see is the Rialto Bridge, one of Venice's oldest and most famous bridges. Cross it to get some of the best views of the Grand Canal, Venice's main artery, where water taxis, gondolas, and vaporettos carry people through the heart of the city. While you're here, explore the bustling Rialto Market, where locals have shopped for fresh seafood, fruits, and vegetables for centuries. One of the most unique aspects of Venice is the lack of cars. Instead, the canals act as roads, and the city's public transport consists entirely of boats. You can hop on a vaporetto, Venice's water bus, to visit some of the outer islands or take a more traditional gondola ride through the smaller, quieter canals. It's the best way to experience the city's intimate beauty and charm. While Venice is known for its beauty, it also faces challenges. Seasonal flooding, known as acqua alta, occasionally sweeps through the city, turning streets into temporary rivers. But don't let that scare you. Elevated walkways are set up to keep you dry, and it's actually a fascinating event to witness if you're visiting during high tide. If you're planning a visit, early mornings are magical. You can have iconic spots like St. Mark's Square almost to yourself, with the golden light reflecting off the water. As the day goes on, Venice gets busier, so plan accordingly, especially during peak travel seasons. Now let's move on to Murano, a small island just north of Venice that's world-renowned for its centuries-old glassmaking tradition. For over 700 years, Murano has been the heart of Venice's glassblowing industry, and walking through its streets feels just like stepping back in time. The craft of glassblowing was so valuable that in the 13th century, glassmakers were moved to Murano to prevent fires in Venice and to keep their techniques secret. If you're visiting, you can't miss seeing a live glassblowing demonstration. Artisans work with molten glass, shaping it into everything from delicate ornaments to elaborate vases.
Cobalt for blue, manganese for black. Unimiwal is flowing, like a balloon, okay?
The skill and precision involved is truly mesmerizing. Some of the most famous glassblowing studios offer these demonstrations for free, and the Murano Glass Museum is a great stop to learn more about the history and evolution of this craft. While you're on the island, make sure to explore the local shops where you can buy authentic Murano glass. But be careful, there are plenty of imitations out there, so look for shops with the Vetro Artistico Murano certification to ensure you're buying the real thing. Prices can range widely, from small souvenirs to intricate, high-end pieces. Murano has a quieter, more relaxed vibe compared to Venice. You can wander the canals, pop into small cafes, or simply take in the beauty of the island. If you're looking for a break from the hustle of Venice, Murano is the perfect escape. Our final stop is Burano, one of the most colourful places in Italy, if not the world. Burano is famous for its brightly painted houses, each one a different colour, creating a stunning rainbow effect as you stroll through the streets. Legend has it that the fishermen who lived on the island painted their homes in vibrant colours so they could find their way back home in the thick fog. Today, it's one of the most photographed spots in the region, and it's easy to see why. But there's more to Burano than just its beautiful buildings. The island has a long history of lace making that dates back to the 16th century. Burano lace was once so prized that it was sought after by royalty all over Europe. If you're interested in learning more, the Burano Lace Museum offers a fascinating look into the tradition, with some stunning examples of intricate handmade lace. As you wander the streets, you'll find local shops selling lace products, but similar to Murano glass, be sure to check for authenticity, as not all lace is made locally. And while you're on the island, don't miss the chance to try some of Burano's local seafood. The island is known for its fresh fish, and there are plenty of small trattorias where you can sit and enjoy a relaxed meal by the water. With its laid-back atmosphere and vibrant streets, Burano offers a perfect contrast to the busy energy of Venice. Whether you're looking to capture some stunning photos or learn about the island's rich history, Burano is sure to charm you. Now, let's talk about how to get to these beautiful islands. Fortunately, Venice is well connected by water, and getting to both Murano and Burano is easy. The most common way to travel is by Vaporetto, Venice's water bus. You can catch line 4.1 or 4.2 from the Fondamenta Nova stop to reach Murano in about 10 to 15 minutes. If you're heading straight to Burano, take line 12 from the same stop. The ride to Burano is a little longer, about 40 to 45 minutes. But the views along the way are absolutely worth it. For those planning to visit both Murano and Burano in one day, it's easy to hop from one island to the other using line 12. You can spend the morning exploring Murano's glassblowing studios, then head over to Burano in the afternoon to soak in the colourful streets. Tickets for the Vaporetto are affordable, and if you're staying in Venice for a few days, it's worth considering a multi-day pass for unlimited travel between the islands. Before you head off to explore Venice, Murano and Burano, here are a few practical tips to help make the most of your trip. First, timing is everything. Venice can get extremely crowded, especially during the summer months, so visiting early in the morning or later in the afternoon can make a big difference. For Murano and Burano, weekdays tend to be quieter, so plan your trip accordingly if you're looking for a more peaceful experience. Be sure to pack comfortable shoes because you'll be doing a lot of walking, especially in Venice, where getting around is entirely on foot or by boat. It's also important to note that Venice and the islands can be quite expensive, particularly around tourist-heavy areas like St. Mark's Square. A good tip is to venture a little farther away from the main attractions to find more affordable dining options. Lastly, remember to respect local customs and traditions. In Venice, avoid sitting on the steps of bridges or in public squares, as it's often frowned upon. And when visiting Murano or Burano, make sure to support the local artisans by purchasing authentic glass or lacework. Not only are you getting a unique piece of craftsmanship, but you're also helping to preserve these centuries-old traditions. Whether you're enchanted by Venice's iconic canals, fascinated by the glass artistry of Murano, or captivated by the vibrant colours of Burano, each destination offers something truly special. From historic landmarks to artisan craftsmanship, these three islands give you a taste of Italy's rich culture and history, all within a short boat ride from each other. If you're planning a trip to Italy, don't miss the chance to explore these unforgettable gems. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more travel guides. Let us know in the comments, would you visit Venice, Murano or Burano first?